Everything you see here behind me, this is what you get when you order the Willwood Aero 6, Aero 4 Big Brake Upgrade Kit for 2005 to 10 Dodge Challenger, Charger, Magnum, and Chrysler 300C. I ordered these from Luke at Steve White Motors. If you're interested in a set of these, don't hesitate to give Luke a call. I'll leave a link in the description. He is a Willwood distributor, and not only that, he runs Willwood brakes on his 1,000 horsepower Dodge Challenger road race car. So he can answer any question you have about your Willwood brakes. We're just going to take a quick look at everything that's included in the kit. It's quite extensive, and I'll show you a brief, we'll just go over it real quick and show you what all you get. We'll start over here. First, you've got this is your front brake line kit, stainless steel braided brake lines. Pretty nice looking stuff. Willwood, and it's got all your, there's some fittings and stuff in there too. We've got these rear brake lines. We've got that, and all the fittings that you need for that. Here is the front adapters, the big billet aluminum piece to adapt the calipers, and some washers and spacers, lock nuts. You got two of those. One, two, and here's the rear. This is the rear billet aluminum adapter for that nice, very nice looking pieces. Very nice. Lightweight too. This is the 6 piston caliper. Put that on the back. Take a look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty nice. That's going to look good on the car. This is surprisingly 6 piston, the aluminum, it's light. Actually, you're going to save some weight with this kit over the stock kit, I believe. You're going to be surprised. Between the aluminum calipers, the aluminum hats for the 2-piece rotors, and the brackets, we've got 2 of those. And in each of these boxes, you got these stickers. Lots of Willwood stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of those. And set with the front and the rears. Gotta love that. Everybody loves stickers. And here, the rear 4-piston caliper. Again, she's a beauty as well. Look at that. Okay, what we got here? Some hardware. Okay, these are some adapter rings and some spacers. I'm not exactly sure. We'll figure that out as we go. These look like they go over the hub. That and some bolts. M12 by 1.75 by 40 millimeter. Packs of bolts and spacers, washers, shims, whatever you want to call them. More hardware. More hardware. We got 2 packs of each. Bolts for your rotors. These are nice looking bolts. You see. And they've got, I don't know if you can see there or not, there's a little hole in the head of those for safety wire. You can see that or not. But, so we got 12, 24, 48 of those. And what do we have here? This is the front aluminum hats that the rotor will bolt to. Let's get that, yeah, right there. Willwood. Focus. It's not going to focus. Let me get out of the shot. There we go. And this is light too. This another front one. Here is the rear. Rear hat. It's got the Willwood name there, and it's your stock parking brake is going to work in there, from what I understand. Emergency brake, parking brake, whatever you want to call it. So that's another good looking piece, and fairly light. We'll maybe weigh all this stuff when we get it together and compare it to the stock. But I know based on some other people that did similar brake upgrades, there was a significant weight savings. So, best of both worlds, you gain braking capability and save some weight. And here are the monsters. Oh Lord, there's the monster. And this is quite heavy. A beautiful looking piece. Look at that thing. 14¼ inches. You get it centered up, 14¼ inches. You can see the veins. And yes, I went for just slotted, not drilled and slotted, mainly for cost, a little cheaper. And in the past, probably wouldn't be an issue with these Willwood rotors. These are military spec material. But I've had in the past, drilled rotors tend to get little stress cracks after some hard use. And probably not an issue with these. But it saved me a few bucks. And these are not cheap to replace. That box is a little, but I'll show you. Spec 37, military grade. Proprietary iron alloy. Developed by Willwood. So, that's your brakes. Your rotors. Those are quite heavy. Okay, and pads. Now I can't remember what exactly pads these were, but there's the part number. They are a street track pad. I mean, they'll work on track pretty good, but they're going to warm up quick enough to be used on the street too. From what I understand, I hope. There's that. I think it's, I'm not sure if that's I think that's the fronts. Here are the other ones. Alright, that's the front. I don't know, that looks the same. So these are silver. They're gold. Here's your pads. Hey, let's get here centered in the camera. pads. 1, 2, 3, 4 rotors, and they are directions. There's a right and a left. Your hats, front and rear, all the hardware, calipers, mounting brackets, lines, and I went ahead and got 4 quarts of the Willwood brake fluid, just to be safe.